Hi my peeps, what's up, walk one? Welcome back to your girl Tina in the house. So guys, I wasn't gonna make a video, but me said sure, let me just make a quick video, quick and fast. I have some salmon head here, big and nice. They were frozen, we rinsed them off and all of that, and I start to put my seasoning. This is all-purpose seasoning, but this is not exactly what's in it. I mix it up with lots of stuff, my own mix. All right, I put Maggi, all-purpose, pimento, all of them something there, and mix it up, and some more seasoning, lots of seasoning. Okay, and I start to put it on it like that. I have some Maggi fish seasoning. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit, just pick up it like that, pick up maybe 2 teaspoons. 2 pick up. All right, I have some paprika. I'm gonna curry it. Okay, so we have some black pepper. You don't have to add too much seasoning. Some onion powder, lots. I love onion powder, and garlic powder, always with garlic and onion powder. Okay, a little bit of olive oil just to rub up everything. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons, 1 and 2. I'm gonna put a little bit of curry on it, guys, good old-fashioned curry, and then I'm gonna burn a little bit in the oil, not too much, something like that. Be careful, okay? My bone juke you, just be careful, take your time and rub it up. I think I know frills I got these, but most time I got them at Zaire's when they're on sale, and sometimes I get it on sale too. Wee, my bone. After you think so they have enough season coated over them and all of that. Some flesh in other part, you know, guys. Ooh. You want a lot of pepper on these. Ooh boy. You want a lot of pepper on them, okay? Make sure you have a lot of pepper to put on it. I'm gonna leave this for about half an hour to 1 hour. I'm gonna let it marinate a little bit. All right, then I'm gonna come back with my pot. All right, guys, as you know, this been soaking and over an hour, but I just made my blended seasoning, and I'm gonna put like a whopping big tablespoon. I already just wash out the container and pour there. All right, and you know your girl gonna mix it up. The bone in there as you cut my hand, so you have to be careful. All right, just take your time and go mix it up. I'm gonna leave this for 15 to half an hour more, and we're gonna make the oil ready, and we're gonna come back. All right, guys, I'm gonna take time and mix up because you cut my hand. All right, my peeps, and this is it. Is the pot burning? You need oil in there. All right, my son said, what's that smell? We're gonna put some olive oil, 2 tablespoons over here. Oh, I something on that pot. I something on that. Wait, guys, 1 second. I something on that bottom. What I did, I used my scissors and I cut off these extra thin piece where basically them not go do nothing to you, nothing in it, and I leave it like that. All right, guys, we're gonna put some garlic, and then I'm gonna burn a little bit of curry. So that's another tablespoon and a half. You don't have to make it very black. After you see burn a little bit, just pour it out. You don't want to, just give it 1 stir now. Like, you don't want to stir too much because you easily cook a fish. So just stir it, you know, let the curry come over nice. My mom loves fish head, guys. It's so good with white rice. I'm gonna steam some white rice. I'll blend the seasoning. Alright. Alright, we're gonna leave it like that. Alright guys, here I add some stock. So you can use chicken stock, veggie stock, beef stock, whatever stock of your choice. And I have some coconut milk powder. You can use the can one. If you're using the can one, don't use too much water, alright? And I'm gonna put few tablespoons. Use to your liking. Alright? All the goodness, the gravy, blended seasoning. You're not gonna mix out so well, but you know, we dissolve once it goes here. See the goodness now, guys? You're just gonna throw it to the corner. Just like that. And you know what, fish easily cook, but you know cook it. Man, you know cook it, guys. Come on now. We're gonna put some scallion and carrot. Onion and carrot. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of my spicy blended seasoning. I'm gonna put a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Put few pieces of frozen bell peppers, not too much. Something like that. Frozen. Few pieces of I'm just gonna put 2 Maggi cubes and cover it. Alright guys, 2 Maggi cubes, some more scotch bonnet pepper, and my thyme and my scallion already blend up in my seasoning, so I'm just gonna put a few more pimento green, and that's it. You can put a little bit of cock soup if you don't have this Maggi cube, okay? Finally. Okay, let that simmer down. Turn down my stove a little bit. 7.5, and after you can turn it down a little bit more. So, a few more minutes. I'll come back. Look at this goodness, guys. Guys, I think I have 2 okra. I wonder if I should set 2 okra on the side. It's almost cooked, guys. Oh, mamma mia. Guys, okra easily cooked. I'm gonna put a few okra on top. Alright, another, say 7 minutes, low battery. Alright guys, I'm gonna charge up the phone, and when it's done cook, I'm gonna steam some rice. 10 minutes, it's done. Okay. Woo. Let's take a look at it. Oh, don't want to mash out no more, guys. Woo. Oh, so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn the stove off and look at the goodness. Ooh. I don't want it to mash out too much. See goodness, guys. Alright, let the rice steam. I have some mixed vegetable, well, some tas salad. Some tastes so good, and I have pepper. Yes, sir. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna make it a little bit fancy. Put it in a cup and hopefully you don't shell it too much and it can squeeze down. I think that should do it on me. Hopefully come out nicely. Nope. Yeah. That's good enough. Should have real curry, fish head, Jamaican style. Turn it this way. Let me take a picture. Yeah. All right, guys, we're just gonna share some of this goodness. Ooh. Oopsie. Another little piece. There you have it. Tossed salad, I'm just gonna take up a little bit. Put it right here. I put whatever berries you want, cucumber, tomatoes, and apple. Not too much. I don't like too much on it. All right, my peeps, and this is it. Amir gonna taste it for you. He's not a fish person, but he doesn't like. He will eat the fish, but he don't want too much bone. But you can get some flesh from this one. And this is it, guys. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Amir gonna taste it. The flesh, you gotta find the flesh part over there, like your piece of the back. To find a piece.
See, that's why I don't like fish.
You gotta find like just a piece of flesh, like, you know. Here. Take a blue dye rice and the gravy. That should be good. Put it in the gravy, yeah.
When you do find the fish, though,
I fish it, I'm here. You gotta take your time and eat it and find the flesh. Here, ooh, here I'm here. Ooh boy, here. There you go. I'm here, so when you find the flesh. Eat with some rice. It tastes good. I'm here, so when you do find the flesh, it's good. I like the bony part too.
No, it does taste good. I like the taste of it. But it's the process. It's like
a long process.
It is worth it in a sense, though.
Yeah, you gotta just like put it in your mouth and eat it. Yeah, you gotta take it up and put it in your mouth. Yeah, there. I'm mine bone, but these are big bones, you know. All right, guys, and that's it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. It's good. All right.